Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara. During SQS videos, I gave you promise that we want to understand integration between SQS and SNS. Now, we cannot do it because you need to understand SNS. So you guys having idea of SNS right now, and now as per my promise, I want to talk about SQS and SNS integration. But if you want to understand this integration, you need to understand the differences between these two. And I want you to understand this right now, because if you understand these differences, you can understand this integration properly. Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk about the differences between SQS and SNS, and then we'll talk about this integration in upcoming video. Let's start. First of all, we are going to start with the core difference. And here I have total 4 points. First, SQS is a pull-based messaging. SQS always store message into the queue. Now, whenever consumer wants to process this message, it is going to pull this message from the queue and it is going to process this. It means SQS will never broadcast any message. It is always storing message into the queue. Now, SNS is completely different. SNS cannot store messages into the queue. There is no queue into the SNS. SNS is directly pushing message to all the subscribers, right? So here, message will be stored into the queue, and whenever consumer wants to process this message, it will pull, while SNS will immediately push these messages to all the subscribers. Okay, so no storage, no buffering. Now, SQS is one-to-one messaging consumption. Here, we have one-to-many communication, and I already explained you one-to-many communication means fan out in the previous videos, right? So you have one system. Now, this one system wants to send messages to multiple systems. Now, in this case, we are using SNS in between. Now, SQS is a queue service, message is stored over there, and that's why you also say that message buffering system, because it is going to store messages into the queue. SNS, it is an event distribution service. I want to send messages to multiple systems, real time. In this case, I will use SNS. It is a broadcast system. Now, let's talk about messaging model. Amazon SQS, here we have producer, queue and consumer. Producer going to produce this message, then it will send this message into the queue. Now queue will store this message. Whenever consumer wants to process this message, it will pull this and then it is going to process. In the Amazon SNS, here we have publisher, means again kind of producer who is sending message to SNS topic. Here SNS topic is not going to store this message. It will immediately broadcast this message to multiple subscribers. Implement message queue model. Here it is implement publisher subscriber model. Consumer polls and retrieves the message. Here message push means SNS topic will push or broadcast this message to all the subscribers, right? Now, let's understand the use cases as well. I'm going to start with the first.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.